Thank you for joining. Lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at a sun that she just can't touch.
If by any time he's innocent, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much.
But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble.
So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the dirt. Listen to me.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. You stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see.
She gives him love and that his body can't handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me.
One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face.
His health is fading and he doesn't know why. Three letters took him to his final place. Y'all don't hear me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. We stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms are coming. Don't leave it a trace and not one God's gift. He said, because my life is 10 shades of gray, I pray I'll didn't fade away. So be praising for a sunny day.
And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo. Too many changes of blue to bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional skies. If you try to tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries.
My only hope is for the folk that can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain.
Who's to blame for tooting? Come to your own fame. What a shame, you're shooting aim for someone else's brain. You claim it insane, the name is staying time, but falling prey to crime. I saw the system got the victim of your own mind.
Dreams and hopes and aspirations and hopes will come true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you. Don't go chasing waterfalls. We stick to the rhythms and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. You're moving too fast.